How to recover LinkedIn account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can recover your LinkedIn account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your LinkedIn. After you open it up, you'll find this option that says login here. So tap on sign in with email. After that, type in your email address here. After you tap on forgot password, after you're here, type in your email address again, then tap on next. After you tap on next, it will take you to another page where they will have sent you an email at your email address with the verification code. So you can open up your email and then search for the verification code. After you find the verification code, you can simply type that in here. Then tap on the submit button. And after you submit, you will then need to verify your identity. So if it has been temporarily restricted, tap on verify your identity. Go through verifying your identity. So choose your account, your country from here. Tap on continue. Then you can verify with your persona. So you can take a live selfie. You can give a valid government ID and go through all of that. And doing that will recover your LinkedIn account. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.